this video will be showing you step by step how to buy a Fundednext challenge with cryptocurrency. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Fundednext on your favorite browser. As you can see, I've done right here. Once you're in here, you'll need to go over to the dashboard and click accounts. And from here, you'll need to click start challenge. Once you have started your challenge, you'll need to pick the specific challenge that you want to start and pay with crypto. Once you've done that, you can select the platform, you can select swap type and select add-ons if you like to do that. Then from here, you'll need to click agree to the terms and service and challenge terms and click get started. Once you're in here, you will be able to select the payment method where you can choose international cards, Apple Pay, PayPal, Skrill, Google Pay, and right here you can choose cryptocurrency. Just keep in mind that you will have a 3% provider fees when paying. From here you'll need to enter payment, where you'll need to enter in your address, the city, zip code, your phone number, first name, and last name. And then from here you can click pay right here. And then from here you'll be able to select what type of crypto coin that you want to pay with. And from there you'll get an address that you'll use to send the cryptocurrency over to. Just keep in mind that you'll need to choose the specific address that Fundednext has provided with you, or else the payment will not go through. From here, you'll be directed into the dashboard again, and under accounts, you'll be able to see all of your active accounts in general accounts. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!